Hi, I am Yadav. My project title is multipath switching system with flow slice using threshold. Multipath means data will be sent in different way in our locations. I can use the 4 client. I can use the 4 modules. First of all, client and server interaction, data transmit, load balancing scheme, and multipath and multiplane flow switches. First of all, I can use my project in 3 client. I can use only a 3 client. Extra client will be added also. First, and then server will be start, and then first of all client 1, client 2, client 3 we will show in desktop. It will be arranged. First of all, enter your IP address in client, and then client 1 enter the IP address and then select a file. We will load the document and then add a file. Then client 2 give the IP address and then you will select the file and you will add a file, and then again also client 3 you will give the IP address, different IP address. You will select the file, add a file, and then the data, and then server. You will check the server. You will be start again, and then you will client 1, client 2, client 3. We will file transmit. Then you will file will be sent in. You will show the server page. Data will be sent. First of all, now your data will be sent in client 1, client 2, client 3 is switch on. Data will be sent. Switch off, data will be not sent. You will automatically convert in data will be sent in source to destinations, and then data will be saved in automatically desktop. This is my project. In my project it will be used in advantage. You will automatically save the desktop. You can use the load in internet, not a download. You will send the IP address, put the IP address, data will be sent in automatically. Within seconds also my data will be sent in to the desktop. This is my project. Thank you Ananda.